Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. Apologies, today morning I could not come out with the pre-market report. I was preoccupied with this many other things. Right. Otherwise, there is nothing to speak much. Global markets are doing extremely well. So US markets, leaps and bounds and hitting fresh intraday all-time high. But our market is stuck at 24,600. So if you look at the Nifty future today, it closed somewhere around where last Monday the Nifty future closed. From last Monday to this Monday, Nifty future hardly moved 4 or 5 points. So it's not even just only 1 point per day. So that is the picture right now. So the markets are absolutely flat. And if you can remember, for more than 3 weeks, Nifty consolidated between 23,800 and 24,300. And finally, one day, the market broke out. So that time I told you, the next resistance is 24,600. Why the next resistance 24,600? So that's because that is the after the war swing high. And of course, because of this closing auction session, whatever they say, so because of that 1 hour today, there was some aberration. Otherwise, in the last 1 week, I think Nifty closed above 24,600 only one day. But it may be showing 2 days because of that CAS. So otherwise nothing. So therefore, number one, markets are bullish. So there is no doubt about it. And even today, 24,600, 24,550, 24,500, all these put options have been sold very aggressively. The best people are the people who have taken 24,600 short straddle 1 week before. So market is in the same place now. Even intraday players. So last 3 days is actually a super bumper for the intraday players. And those who have sold 24,600 call and put for the last 3 days. So market keep giving very good profit. For tomorrow also, 24,600 short straddle, the combined premium is about 150 points. So that means 24,450 on the downside, 24,750 on the upside. So as long as the markets are trading in this range, the people who sold 24,600 straddle today, so they will be making good profit tomorrow. And looks like in all probability, unless something drastic thing happens, so it looks like it's going to be, that is the case. And I think market is not likely to close more than 100 point plus or minus from 24,600. So this is the best month for option writers. And after tomorrow, we have 2 more weeks. And so number one, Nifty will have to close about 24,600. So number one. So once that happens, so the next target is 24,800. And 24,800 is the 62.8% Fibonacci retracement of the bigger fall. So next resistance is going to be 24,800. So once that is crossed decisively, so that is when the interesting thing can happen and the Nifty can head towards 26,000. But of course, all those things is not going to happen in 1 day or 1 week. So that's because, our problem is still continuing. The crude oil prices is not coming down. And last time I think I checked, I think it's about $84 something. It should fall below $70. So it should come to the range of $60 to $70. So that is the best possible scenario for Indian markets. So let us hope that that happens sooner or later. But upside, we don't know when it is going to go up. But most probably the downside is very, very intact. And I told you last time that December 23,000 put option, I sold huge quantities, more than 1 lakh quantity. So sitting down, but the thing is nowadays, the premiums are not collapsing so easily because it has been trading in the range between, every day 1 rupee, 2 rupee. So that is how the prices are moving. But looks like this market keeps trading at the upper end of the trading range. So that shows that sooner or later, so the market is likely to break out. It's not likely to break down. So first week I said it is going to be 24,000 to 24,600. Then for the month I said 24,000 to 24,800. So looks like it's going to continue like this. So our market has become a lackluster market. So where only intraday players are making good money. So otherwise there is nothing to discuss. Today mid cap and small cap indices have done well. So large cap indices did not do well. And there was some news that, today exchange may announce a rejig in Nifty 50. The Wipro may be getting out of Nifty 50 and the stock BSE might be included in Nifty 50. So with that expectation, I think today the BSE stock has shot up about 4 to 5%. And today FIIs are buyers, but the domestic institutions are net sellers. But totally net to net, institutional buying is more than 1,000 crore. So therefore, there is no reason to be bearish. So overall, this market is bullish, but just trying to consolidate, trying to form the base so that the next leg may be good. So we'll see tomorrow. So what's going to happen? Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.